Why you are protecting me? You have entered our land. You have entered. We believe in peace and coexistence. We believe in peace and coexistence. Don't make volatile.
This is our state, own state land.
ये हमारा देखिए ये हमारा अपना अपना ये हमारा this is our own land. This is our you cannot protect us to entire our own land. You cannot protect us. You cannot protect us.
But this is our own state land. We are ceded. We want to see. And this is our land.
Let
go.
What do you want it to mean? What do you want it to mean? He is an ex-MLA. He is an ex-MLA. He is an ex-MLA. He is an ex-MLA.
He is an ex-MLA, sir.
He is an ex-MLA.
Please allow, sir.
Please allow only 3%.
We wanted to see.
Only 3%.
Only 3% we wanted to see. Only 3% we wanted to see our own place and our because our pupils are suffering over there. One school had been destroyed.
Only 3%, sir.
Still we are cooperating. We want peace. We want coexistence because we live together since last 3-4 decades. We live together, and now the attitude whatever you are showing, this is most unfortunate. And you remind it, we are peace-loving people. We are peace-loving people, and if you consider the past history, and because ultimate that is not the solution. The way you are going, that is not the solution.
Only for 3%, sir. Please allow. He is an ex-MLA.
We are Indian.
He is an ex-MLA.
You are all Indian. You are also Indian. We are Indian. We are true national. Why you are not allowing to go us there? We are true national. If you are also true national, why you are not allowing us to visit our own place?
These people are not our enemy. We are also Indian. We are Indian.
Only for 3%. Please allow. He is an ex-MLA.
ठीक है सर सर्वे जाओ चलो
चलो allow person ना ठीक है sir.
And that is